Okay.
Miss Ho's going to teach us about cotangent graphs, and then we're going to go out to her car and go to Chipotle.
We're going to go out to my car and carry granola bars inside, and we're not going to Chipotle. Okay, so cotangent graphs are the exact same as tangent graphs, but the inverse, because, guys, pretend like you're paying attention.
I'm paying attention.
Okay, so cotangent graphs are the exact same as tangent graphs, except they're flippity-floppity. So instead of going from from -1 to 0 to 1, they go from +1 to 0 to -1 as we go from left to right. The period of a cotangent graph is still pi, meaning every pi radians we have a vertical asymptote. Domain is still all real numbers except for those integral multiples of pi. So every multiple of pi. Oh, I also lied. They start at they go from 0 to pi instead of like -pi/2 to pi/2. So the interval is a little bit different to start. Your range is still all real numbers. Vertical asymptotes are at multiples of pi. And then we're going to look at x-intercepts happen halfway through. And at a quarter of the way through and 3/4 of the way through, we're at +1 and -1, respectively. Okay, so because I lied earlier, sorry. Because we go from 0 to pi, instead of in tangent, we went from -pi/2 to pi/2. How we find those two consecutive asymptotes is we take that same bx minus c, but then we put it in an inequality between 0 and pi. Then we also use the amplitude to figure out how tall or short it's going to be. Here is our whopping one example. I don't know why I made that so tiny. So it's 3 cotangent of 2x. So we're going to take that 2x and we're going to do 0 is less than 2x is less than pi. And then to get x by itself, we literally just divide by 2. So it would be 0 is less than x is less than pi/2. So that means one repeat of this is going to happen between 0, which is right here, already graphed, and pi/2. Sorry, just put these on here because I don't want to graph them. And then the other thing is our amplitude. So our amplitude in this one is 3. So amplitude equals 3. So that's why this point right here is all the way up at 3. And this point down here is all the way down at -3. Okay. That took me 3 minutes and 6 seconds. Your assignment is 6 problems long.
Bye, guys. Bye-bye.
Like, comment, and subscribe.